Like, subscribe, and get notified.
While Goa marked its 63rd Liberation Day on 19th December, the state continues to grapple with environmental challenges, particularly pollution. The discharge of untreated sewage into Kolva Creek has left the waterway severely contaminated, threatening its ecosystem and posing risks to public health. Residents and environmentalists expressed outrage over the deliberate trenching on Kolva Beach, which channels polluted creek water directly into the sea. Residents demanded to test the water.
कालूच तेमी ते फोडून काडले बीच आनी ते सगळे मेळेले उदक दर्यान सोडटाय आनी आयज सकाळ आनी आयज सकाळीं दोनी दीस कंटिन्यूस सुवेज सोडटाय क्रिकान आनी ते क्रिकांतले उदक डायरेक्ट दर्यान वयता. लोक थिंगा न्हांवताय, लोक बयसून जेयताय हाताय, इतुले वास सगळे लोकांनी म्हाका कंप्लेन केले की वास माता. कालूच हांवें एक एफिडेवीट हायकोर्टान फायल केल्या. काल आमगे केस जावपाक आसलेले पूण ते केस आतां एडजर्न जाले आहा कित्याक काल जायते केसीस आहा म्हणून ते हियरींग जावंक ना. My question to our people and to the tourism minister is simply, is this how we are celebrating Liberation Day? Are you liberating us from this kind of destruction of the environment? Or are you encouraging the businessmen to destroy the environment and harming the people, the tourists who come to our state, who bathe in those waters? The Central Pollution Control Board has given clear reports that the waters along the beaches of Kolva, etc., along the coast of Goa have been severely polluted. If this kind of complaints and this kind of reports do not awaken your conscience, Mr. Minister Rohan County, then what will? All the developments that you all do on the land has no value if you cannot keep our beaches clean and healthy and our waters healthy. Now our issue here is clearly, since 2011 we have filed this PIL and it's going on in the court. The Pollution Control Board filed an affidavit saying that the sewage from certain hotels, it seems, is already connected to the STP. Now the STP has not even been commissioned till today. So where is the sewage going? And what is really happening? Is the Pollution Control Board telling the truth to the court or committing perjury? This is a very important question. Now the issue here is, yesterday morning and evening sewage was released. I have videos and complaints of all that. Today morning, it was a shocking for me. Early in the morning, somebody sends me 2 videos where they show the entire creek is polluted, and it is clear that all this is done because they had already pre-planned the cutting of the beach to release the waters into the sea. Who will be made answerable for this? Is this what business is all about? Polluting and destroying the environment, or preserving and protecting our environment? And the Pollution Control Board is answerable because despite my complaints from yesterday till today, till now, they have not sent anybody to come and take the samples of these waters. And that is again a sign that how serious the Pollution Control Board is. For me, this is not just happening in Kolva. It's happening all along the coast of Goa. Wherever there are businesses on the beach, the GCZMA is answerable for going on granting NOCs to places where the beach carrying capacity clearly says no more permissions can be granted. The GCZMA itself is the first culprit. And so will the Environment Minister, Mr. Alexios Sequeira, answer? I want this question from him. He is also the Environment Minister. He is supposed to look at all these pollutions that are taking place all along the beach. My issue also is with the local panchayat. They should be questioning all this and be concerned that if you want tourism to grow in your village, then you have to first put all the infrastructure in place, and that is management of garbage, which is not still happening. The release of sewage by all these businessmen who think that making money is all that they are concentrating on. They are not even interested in taking responsibility. They were given the option of collecting their sewage in the tanks and being disposed of through tankers. That also is not happening. That means everybody wants to make money but not spend a single rupee to preserve the environment.
Watch on Herald TV.